Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about flexible GridView plus to Flutter. A Flutter package that provides a flexible GridView, making it easier to create grid layouts with dynamic child heights. With flexible GridView plus you don't have to worry about setting the fixed height or aspect ratio for your children widgets. Flexible GridView plus simplifies grid creation in Flutter by allowing children widgets to have any height. This is much more convenient than using the default GridView widget, which often requires setting a fixed height or aspect ratio. Now we connect package Flexible GridView Plus, open PubSpec YAML, add package. Now we add file menu item model. .dart. Then we create class menu item model and we add right string, right name, right double, right price, then right photo URL, add menu item model, write this name, write this price, and add this photo URL. Save. Now we add demo data, write demo data.dart, and we add information. Now we add catalog card, write catalog card.dart, write class, write catalog card, write extends, write status widget, add constructor, write final, add menu item model, write catalog item, add to constructor, and now we write return, write card. Now we add variable them, write final, write them, write them dot of context, and we write margin, write edge insets 0. Next, write clip behavior, write clip dot anti-alias. Then we write child, add widget column, write children, add aspect ratio, write aspect ratio 16:20. Then we add child and we add image network. Then we write catalog item dot photo URL, write feed, write box feed cover, save, write size box, write height 8, write text, write catalog item, dot name, write style, add them dot text, them dot title large, write max lines 1, save. Then we add size box, height 16, add outline button, icon, add label, write text, write catalog item dot price, add icon, write icons dot add shopping cart, save. Write sized box, write height 8, save. Now we open main.dart and update this file. Write debug show checked not banner, write false. Write scaffold, write ambar, write title, write text, write flexible, grid view plus example, save, add body, and now we look example grid view, add sliver grid delegate with fixed cross axis count, write 2, add padding, edge insets all 10, write children, write demo data dot map, write item, write catalog card, write item, write to list, save. And now we update cross-axis spacing, write 22, then child aspect ratio 0.7, and we add main axis spacing 22, save. We have more updated, and now we use flexible GridView Plus. Write flexible GridView Plus, add demo data dot map, write item, write catalog card, write item, to list, add padding, edge insets all, write 10, add axis count, add grid, layout enum, write 2 elements in row, add main axis spacing, write 10, then we add cross axis spacing 10, we can remove, and we can update axis count, write 4 elements in row, 3 elements in row, if we use GridView, update cross axis count and need update information, That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.